Hello coders, today we are going to start new topic which is SQL select statement. The SQL select statement. The select statement is used to select data from database, return data from customer table. We have tried this in our last lecture. Select syntax. In select syntax is a start of SQL query, we can say. It is used to retrieve data from table. In select, after using select, what we use column name 1, comma, column name 2. We can use n number of column here from table name. If we want to print all the data from all the columns. In, uh, in we can write star here, which is called asterisk, and then we use from and then table. Here, column 1, column 2 are the column names in the table you want to select data from. The table name represent the name of the table you want to select data from. Demo database. Below is a selection from customer table. Here, our table name is a customer, and this data we have display using select star from customer. Select all columns. To select all columns, we use select star from customer. What is the purpose of select statement? To select data from database. We have done this already in our previous lecture. Next, we are going to learn SQL select distinct statement. The SQL select distinct statement. The SQL the select distinct statement is used to return only distinct unique values. In a table, a column may contain several duplicate values, and sometimes you want a list only the unique values. Select all the distinct unique countries from customer table. Here, what happened? See, in this our customer table, what query we have performed? Select distinct country from tables. If we only use select country from customers, then these all table get printed. But we only need one country at one time. We don't want duplicate countries. At that time, we use distinct keyword. Then what our query becomes select distinct country from customers. Then in our result, what we get? Germany, Mexico, UK, and Sweden. From which column we want only unique data. Before that column, we use distinct. Let's try this. Select distinct country from customer. What is customers? Sorry everyone. Like see, in this we only got unique records. Then next we will print what are table names. Okay, we'll print city, country, city from customers. Yes, yes, city is printed. So what we learn from this, if we want to retrieve only unique data, then we use distinct keyword and we use distinct keyword before that column from which we want to only unique data to print. Select example without distinct. If you omit the distinct keyword, the SQL statement returns country values from all the records from customer. We have seen this already. Count distinct values. This is next. By using count function with distinct keyword, we can count the number of unique countries. Say student. Count is a one aggregate function which is used to count the number of rows using count and display. Here, how this query works, let's see. Select count distinct country from customer. In this query, how it works, it first go in customer table, it will select for country column. In country column, it will retrieve only distinct values, values which are not repeated, like unique values. Then it go into count. It count that unique values and return the count. Okay. The count distinct column is not supported in Microsoft database. Like I have already told you, some database have different rules. Like not all syntax, but there is lit, some syntax there is a difference. Like some syntax is used in work in Oracle only. Some syntax are work in MySQL only like that. In Microsoft Access database, it is a type of database in which it doesn't support the count distinct column. For that, what query is work is select count star as distinct count countries from select distinct country from customers. This query work in MS Access instead of this query. Which of the following SQL statement would return a list of unique countries from table name customers? Select all the different values from country column in a customers table. Different means unique. What would be the result of omitting the distinct keyword in a statement like select distinct country from customer? If it doesn't use distinct in this query, then what will be the output? It will return all the values from table, including duplicate. What does the following SQL statement do? Select, count, distinct country from customers. We have seen this query already. Return count of all the unique countries. and the number of different countries in customer. In which scenario would you most like to use distinct keyword when we want unique data only? When you values. Next is our where clause. This we will see in our next video. Thank you guys. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.